Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: an assumption one can make while organizing community is that people have no capacity to deal with their own problems. People have no ability to or desire to change. Changes that are self-imposed have less value than imposed changes. People should participate in making, adjusting, or controlling the major changes within their communities. And the answer of the question is people should participate in making, adjusting, or controlling the major changes within their communities. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.